What's up guys? Magandang bahay, magandang buhay. This is Ray and we are here right now in Santa Rosa, Laguna pa rin to check out this new listing natin. So, I'm not sure if this is for sale pero sure tayo na for rent to. Check out natin yung bahay para makita. Let's go! Pagpasok ko dito, actually, ito yung entrance ng garahe natin. This is the main entrance. Pakita mo yung gate dito. And pagpasok mo pala, pag nakaharap ka sa house, on the left side, meron tayo dito pang garden and may daan din tayo dito. Going to the entrance natin sa likod. And then dito, makikita nyo, malaki yung garahe natin. Hindi naman may artista van dito. Kasya yung isang artista van, tapos kasya pa yung isang kotse dito. May entrance, may daanan din to patungo dun sa likod na entrance. Here's the main entrance. Tara, check out natin. Pagpasok mo sa main entrance, your living space. Here, yung kitchen natin. Of course, CR sa ground floor. Basically, sa ground floor natin is meron tayong living room, kitchen, and one bathroom. And sa labas may dirty kitchen doon and dirty kitchen, and I think pwede nga rin naman maging laundry area dito. Lagyan ako ng mga washing machine dyan. Good. Kaya tayo sa taas, guys. Ayan. Pag-akit po dito sa taas, 3 bedrooms din siya. And then here, CR. And then may 3 rooms. Dito tayo kasi ito yung master's bedroom niya. May sarili siyang CR. Built-in cabinet na rin siya. Yeah, malaki na rin yung space ng master's bedroom. Check naman natin yung second bedroom. Tatabing room ng master's bedroom. Napakaliwanag. Ang ganda ng pasok ng araw sa kanya kasi nandito yung balcony. May built-in cabinet na rin. And then, yung balcony, ang access sa balcony natin is from this room. From the last room, the bedroom din natin. Yeah. The balcony. If you think this property is the right place for you, you can contact us here in this number. For more details and property options, you can visit our social media accounts or visit our website at www.snrrealty.com. Once again, my name is Ray and this is SNR, creating better places, one neighborhood at a time. Magandang bahay, magandang buhay.